everybody, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make peanut butter cookies. These are really easy to make, and if you've got kids at home, seeing as school's broken up, this is a really good recipe to make with your kids. I'd like to dedicate this recipe video to my little cousin and honorary sister Sophia. It makes me really happy to hear that you're making my recipes. This one's for you. For the cookies you're going to need some peanut butter, coconut sugar, caster sugar is fine as well, dairy-free milk. I'm using coconut milk, but you can use almond milk or soy milk or even water, vanilla extract, and bicarbonate of soda. So we've got all our ingredients, let's make our cookies. Here are the finished cookies, they're perfect. And of course I'm going to try one. Crunchy on the outside, chewy on the inside, really strong peanut butter flavour. Happy with these. Thank you so much for watching another video. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this recipe, subscribe, share with your friends, and leave me a comment if there's any other recipes you want me to make vegan. I'll see you next week. Bye. I'll see you next week. Bye. What are you doing? What are you doing, Mum?
Watching you.
I don't know, I can watch him, Mum.